All right, so two quick things before we jump into the review. Tech's here to stay. I brought back the name, brought back the logo. I decided to just make a second channel. Instead of killing off this one, it just seemed to be the smarter move. A couple people hit me up and said, hey, why don't you create a second channel? And yeah, good idea. It's here to stay. Tech will continue on the channel. Thing number two, my eyes are black. I like it, looks dope. They're not tattooed, they're contacts. I'm not that crazy. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you think of it. Do you like it, do you not? I'm gonna keep it. I actually really dig the way it looks. Anyway, on to that review. So Philips isn't really known for making gaming related products, at least that's not where my mind goes straight to when I hear the brand Philips. Well, apparently they make all kind of PC accessories, headsets, speakers, mice, gaming keyboards, which we've got here today. This is the Philips SPK8614 mechanical keyboard, and spoiler, I'm pretty damn impressed by it. The price is honestly what shocked me most here. Super cheap for everything that they've packed in here. Great design, mechanical switches, more on those in a bit. Magnetic wrist rest, there's just a lot here, but let's not get too far ahead of ourselves. The SPK8614 has a really cool, unique, distinctive design. It's one of my favorite things about the keyboard. It looks miles more expensive than it actually is. If you look closely, you'll begin to notice a lot of top shelf features trickling down into this keyboard, like the dedicated media controls and volume knob, which is oddly satisfying. Makes me wish more keyboards had volume knobs. Those media keys are nice and tactile, and you can quickly press down on the volume wheel to mute that audio. It's hella nice, I like having that. Now, if you take a look at the font type used on these keycaps, it has a kind of sci-fi-ish feel to them. It's not gonna be everyone's cup of tea, but I'm definitely digging them. I'm not digging how loose the keycaps are though. There's quite a bit of wobble and rattle to the keys, and on top of that, the ABS plastic used here just feels cheap, making it quite apparent where Philips cut costs. Now, with that being said, after a few days of actually getting to use the keyboard, it wasn't that bad and I got used to it quite quick. Just want to give you guys the heads up. Underneath those keycaps are Philips' own in-house home-brewed switches. They're cherry blue knockoffs and they actually feel great. I shit you not, I actually prefer using these ones over the cherry blues. They are every bit as clicky and tactile while needing less actuation force. Absolutely wonderful to type on while being slightly hindered by that damn keycap wobble. Alright, so I'm not a huge fan of RGB, it's just not my thing. I usually just set it to a solid color like blue, or more times than not, just turn it off. Even so, I found the lighting to be quite limiting. There's no software to be had, everything is set fully in hardware. Here's the big letdown though, the lighting is all zone based, so each key only glows a specific color. The number pad is always yellow, WASD key is always pink, the number probe is always red. You get where I'm going with this, and it's like that no matter the lighting effect, and you can actually pick through dozens of different effects to choose from, but the set colors just turn me off completely, so I turn that thing off. I don't even use the colors on this keyboard. It's a bit disappointing for people who like RGB. Now, despite those few shortcomings, the SPK8614 is a solid keyboard, and I think the price justifies it alone, especially if you're not a fan of RGB like me. If lighting is kind of your thing, then definitely look elsewhere. It's gonna disappoint you. For everyone else, I give this thing the green light. If this keyboard piqued your interest in the slightest, links will be down in that description. Go over there, check it out, and do me a favor, drop me a comment for the algorithm, throw a thumbs up. It'll all help YouTube push my content to more people. That wraps up the video. I'm signing off. I'll catch you guys in the next one.